So today we got to move around a lot of stuff inside. It's going to be a juggle. So we've got the Mini X in here, and we're going to try to use it to help fit some of these pieces that we just finished, and then we have to bring down the next batch onto our little platforms. It's going to be kind of tight today in the shop, huh, Matt?
Okay, good day.
Gonna be a good day.
That's all part of the...
Oh, it's cold, dude. My fingers are sticking to this metal.
You want me to take care of that? Go warm them up? Yeah, it's
no, I'm not. My fingers aren't cold.
like
they're warm.
15 degrees out.
They're just sticking to the metal. Remember, like when you lick up something metal?
I never did.
Your tongue
I never did that.
Neither have I. I've just seen it in the videos.
There's a movie about that where the little kid sticks his tongue to the pole. I remember something like that. It's kind of a one-man operation here. And
I did it!
I usually hold.
I would love to hold it, but it's just...
I have gloves on, and you should have just let me...
My fingers are freezing to it, Matt. Oh, that's why this one loosens up. It doesn't have a locking washer on it.
Well, that's a problem. Where'd it go?
I have no idea.
You probably fell off one time, and then you put it on, and...
I have to heat this thing up and bend it back.
Well, I mean, not right now.
We don't have the torch here right now, otherwise I probably would.
Yeah, that doesn't help us complete the barn.
It doesn't, but one less overall task to do. That's a cold piece of metal. It has been started. You finish what I started. You hear me? I will crush you. Should we try to fit it? Should we try to get it mid-span and I can lift it up and see if we can get it? I made an archway for you to walk through, bro. Look at this archway. Now you can roll through an archway. Now you just need to find a whack. One day we're going to do this on the pad. One day, this will be on the barn itself. So this is what we're going to be doing out on the property. Ooh, that looks like it almost went. Oh, no wood. Okay, coming down. So this also means that we don't have to rent machinery, we can use our equipment, this little excavator, to be able to pretty much assemble the entire lean-to. High five! It's like a piece of marriage. Love and marriage, yeah, like a horse and carriage. That is beautiful. One more piece before we go into production mode.
Okay, so that's fair. You do the tenons and I do the mortises.
I mean, if we go into production mode on the posts, yeah, but you're going to be doing those. We're doing like a post at a time.
Well, while you're doing layout on one, I can be sanding another one.
Now, we're going to get crushed. We're going to get crushed.
like a blob. I got a big gap on this other side, though.
Well, that's because I haven't dropped it down all the way, and because my strap is
Okay. That's there.
has it cutting off.
Hold on. Okay, yeah, you're right.
So we go through and we vacuum all the timbers before we run the planer, just to make sure that we don't have any rocks or sand, any debris that can mess up our planer blades. A little bit of extra thought, but want to protect our tools, our investment.
Have the blades last us just a little bit longer. This is easier to replace than metal forged blades from Canada.